Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about the heapq module in Python. So this video is all about efficient queuing, and today we're going to try and understand it, why it's important, and how to use it. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the heapq is a Python module which provides an implementation of the heapq algorithm, also known as the priority queue algorithm. Heap data structure is mainly used to represent a priority queue. In Python, it is available using the heapq module. The heapq module implements heaps using regular lists. The interesting property of a heap is that its smallest element is always the root heap and then 0. The heapq module provides several important functions. Today we're going to take a look at heappush, heappop, and heappushpop. So let's get started with heappush. This function is used to insert an element into heap. The order is adjusted so that the heap structure is maintained. Here, we're adding 4 elements to our heap. When we print the heap, we'll see that the smallest element is at the front. Oh, forgot a P. Now, let's take a look at heappop. The function is used to remove and return the smallest element from a heap. The order is adjusted so that the heap structure is maintained. So first, we're popping the smallest element from the heap, then we print the heap again, showing that it's been reordered. Finally, let's take a look at heappushpop. The function combines the function of both push and pop operations in one statement, increasing the efficiency. Heap order is maintained after this operation. Here, we're pushing a new element to the heap and popping the smallest element, all in one operation. Then, we print the heap again. So yeah, that's a quick introduction to the Python's heapq module for efficient queuing. There's a lot more to learn in this module, including more complex functions and operations, but with this knowledge, you'll be on your way to using heaps and priority queues in your Python scripts and leak code problems. Right, so thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and drop a like on this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.